Maraming salamat po, Film Academy of the Philippines, for this great honor. Gumburza was made by a big barangay of people, and I would like to thank them all. First and foremost, thank you, of course, to Jesuit Communications, Father Nono Alfonso, Paul Mangilog Saltarin, Ernestine Tamana, Father Ro Atiliano, and I mentioned Father Rene Havillana. Thank you for making this possible. MQuest Ventures, Mr. Manny Pangilinan, Jane Basas, Jeff Remigio, CMB Films, Sir Jim Baltasar, thank you so much. I would like to thank, and I share this with the whole cast, our giant ensemble cast of Gomburza, led by our priests, Mr. Cedric Juan, Mr. Dante Rivero, Tito Dante, Mr. Enchong D, and Piolo Pascual. Thank you, of course, to my key staff who created the film with me. This is really a collaborative effort. And before I leave, I would also like, Chair Liza, like to thank my partner that I always forget. So thank you to my partner, Roy, to my family. And lastly, I would like to thank everybody who has watched the film and continues to watch the film. I hope that the support that we have for each other here really reverberates around, and that we need to keep growing our industry. So thank you to everybody who watched the film. And of course, I dedicate this, of course, to the three priests, Gumburza, because they really are, I think, the first Filipinos, in the sense that it was them who really planted the seed of our national identity. And they showed us what unites us as a people, that even if we call ourselves different names and come from different islands, what unites us is a quest for justice, respect for the dignity of every human being, and of course, truth. So maraming salamat po.
Ang nagugi po bilang Best Actress, Maricel Soriano, In His Mother Eyes.
Maraming salamat po sa Luna Awards, sa Film Academy of the Philippines. In behalf of Maricel Soriano, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.
Ang mga nominado sa Best Actor: Cedric Juan, Gumburza;
Ideas radicales.
Ideas liberales.
Para sa liman.
Roderick Paulate, In His Mother's Eyes;
Lucy, ang dami mong tanong. Nung umalis ka ba, nagtanong ako kung saan ka pupunta?
Dingdong Dantes, Rewind;
Bullshit! I resign! Sinungaling naman pala yung lodge mo eh.
Carlo Aquino, Third World Romance;
Bibit-bitin natin ang sabay para mas gumaan.
Christopher De Leon, When I Met You in Tokyo;
Bakit parang nakakita ka ng multo, bro ha?
Presenting the Best Actor winner is Jethro Ramirez from the Katipunan ng mga Artistang Pilipino sa Pelikula at Telebisyon.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner for the Best Actor is...
Lang kami ni V talagang sabi ko sa kanya, at pareho kami ng intensyon. Sabi ko, V, nakakamiss ang FAP. At sabi ko nga, nandito kami para suportahan ng Film Academy of the Philippines. Alam ko po, maraming magagaling na artistang lalaki, naglaban-laban. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, V, namimiss namin kaya kami nagre-reminisce kami ng past. We still remember when we used to hold the event, di ba, sa LVN. Tapos nagsama-sama mga artista, nominado o hindi, nandoon dumadating ang lahat ng manggagawa ng pelikulang Pilipino. This means a lot to me. Maraming salamat po. Please allow me to share this award with Maricel Soriano also. Kasi malaki po ang collaboration nangyari sa amin. At salamat din po sa aming director, si Eric Reyes. Maraming salamat sa pagbantay mo sa amin ni Maria. LA, thank you also, and to your mom also. Flory Santos, aming producer, maraming salamat. At sa lahat po ng cast na bumubuo ng In His Mother's Eyes. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko lang ulitin, Luna Film Academy, na-miss ko kayo. Sana magsama-sama uli. I still believe sa sinabi ni Manny Morfe kanina at ni ating mahal na director, also my director, Joy Reyes, na sana ma-unite tayong lahat. Magsama-sama, tulungan natin uli bumalik ang atmosphere ng Film Academy of the Philippines kung saan tayo nagsusuportahan. Hindi tayo naghihilahan pababa, kundi paakyat. Lahat tayo, magtulong-tulong po tayo dahil gawin natin ito hindi lang para sa atin, kundi para sa lahat na manggagawa ng pelikulang Pilipino. Magandang gabi po.